Okay. We're good. We're good to go. We're good. We're good, guys. Alrighty. Go. All right. We're good to go, guys. So, good morning. Good morning. I was just trying to spruce this up a bit for you and give you some more chart energy. Um, so here we go. All right. All right. As you can see, I told y'all to get into XLE last week. That mess jumped up $3 overnight. Um, up 20, wow, up 15% today. It was totally red yesterday. And now we are back in big green, guys. XLE went crazy for us. So super grateful for that move. Hope y'all was able to get in. Remember, energy is going to rock the sectors this season. Okay. All right. So um, I'm just wanted to put this up here so we can see a couple of more charts. So we got Tesla, we got SPY. SPY opened up with a huge gap. And again, we do not want to get in anything before the first 5 minute candle has printed. All right. So far, remember to have your charts up. I am just here to help read your charts. Um, XLE is just going crazy bananas, up 23% on the day. Geez, what a gap up. Yikes. I bought it out till February 20th and I'm in a $50 call. So it is a dollar, almost a dollar and a half away from it right now. Let me see what I wanted to have on here. So we got Tesla, SPY, XLE, and gold. I'm going to switch out gold for IWM because IWM is cheap to buy, perfect for 0 day entries. And it pays super good when you get in. SPY has a gap. We need to be careful with that gap. And let's see what's going to go on. Right now, XOM is rocking it. ConocoPhillips, COP on a drop. We just got some tickers on the drop. I try to organize this on the left for you guys with the rise and the fall. XOM, XLE, CBX, they are rocking it today, guys. Y'all want to get paid? XLE is the master, but let it shake out. It when it jumps up like that overnight, you don't want to just hop in and chase that trade. You want to wait for it to pull back. Um, golly, jeez, you know. Um, so anyway, CVX, XLE rocking it today. Super excited. All right. Of course, we are waiting for the momentum to hit so we can know the direction we're going to ride with IWM. As you know, Trump is shaking up the world with his mess, per usual. And that is causing a big drop. So we may be looking at puts on SPY, puts on IWM, get in where you fit in. It is dropping currently right now as we speak. Boom. All righty. Okay. For those trading futures, this should be an easy peasy day for you. Futures is the easy way to make money if you have enough money in your account to trade it. If not, get you a prop firm. Get you a prop firm, babies. All right, here we go. Um, All right, so I am on one screen. I know y'all don't see this, but on one screen, I'm going to be looking at the 30-minute chart, looking for a strong trend down to see how we're going to play that. Right now, XLE keeps rising to the freaking occasion. Shout out to XLE. I really want to see if we're going to be able to get into some puts. Good morning to everybody in here. Hi, Booski. Hi, J-Matt. I'm so glad you guys are here with me today. Ready to make this money. IWM looks like it is puts and XLE. We have so much money going into the energy sector today. Let me see. INTC is continuing. My water. I know y'all can't see my water. Make sure you take a look at the, you know, these on the side, XLE, gold, CVX. These are the ones with strength today. IWM looks like, let me do a 30-minute. I'm monitoring the 30-minute chart for you guys right now. SPY is moving up. Remember, we want to be careful when we see it moving toward the 72 moving average, which is this purple line. XLE is going bananas. God, I cannot. Oh my goodness. Shout out to XLE. You guys need to understand energy is a super cheap ETF to get into, and it is got power pushing in. Robinhood is also pushing. Tesla going up. Remember, I'm really mindful when I see it pushing up toward the 72 moving average because usually it will push there and then pull back. This is an institutional moving average, guys. So be very mindful of that. Up 40% on XLE, 50% on a 50 call. Bought it out to February 20th. Let me tell you how much I purchased it for. If you guys are ever interested, it was only $64 for over a month contract. So I'm going to tell y'all where to get the cheap contracts. XLE, IWM. IWM is pushing up. So I am interested in trading IWM if it can hold and push up. And we're looking at 267. Remember, if you're going to buy zero data expiration, you need to get in and you need to get out and you need to just get your life. It is hitting the line though. I need to see it break the line and hold. It broke it. Okay. It opened above. That is healthy. I like, but let's see if it's a liquidity swoop and pushes down. Remember, test and retest. It is pushing down. Hold on. Be careful. Be careful. All right. If we do decide to do IWM, remember the IWM typically gets its trend at 950. It has clapped me over and over and over again, unfortunately. And it is clapped me over and over again, trying to get in early and thinking I could ride the trend. So I am being patient. It's 940. Tesla is already pushing down, filling up the gap, going toward the middle line. XLE continues to push up. All right, go XLE. Let's go. Let's go. Dang. That what a swing trade. Jesus, $64 for the contract. Y'all can find some really juicy contracts, especially on Fridays after one. Cheap, 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 cheap. Like a little bird. For sure. So right now we have IWM pushing down. Remember, see, right at the line. Right at the line. You would have got caught up getting greedy. Let it figure itself out. Let it figure itself out. Double check on the side on the left to see where the sell strength is. Right now, Amazon, Microsoft, all of these are pushing down. Walmart pushing down. So that means IWM has a potential to push down. If it pushes down past this VWAP, I am looking to get into a put. Yes, I am. Already SPY is pushing down. Not playing today. It is not playing. It looks like it may want to fill that gap up. Remember, get your money and get the heck out. All of the Magnificent Sevens are tanking currently. I need to see what IWM is going to do. It is putting in some bearish moves right now, but that does not necessarily mean it's going to go down. IWM is they're small companies. They're the top 2,000 small companies in the US. And compared to SPY, which are huge companies, which is the SP 500, the top 500 companies in the US trading. And when they go down, SPY goes down. When the other companies go up, IWM goes up. And they don't always go align with each other. I'll tell you that too. All right. So here we go. Right now, let's see. Mm, Okay. All right, 9:43. This is where I usually look to get in because that first 15-minute bar is coming to a close. I'm just waiting patiently. I am not in any trade besides that XLE that I took last week. Right now, banks are up. Merck is up. I'm in Merck also, but that's just alone. I'm not, you know, in love with my Merck. I'm in a Merck 116. It expires this week, but Merck is moving up. All the health cares are moving up a bit. Pfizer, Merck. Okay, let's see what IWM is going to do, guys. Let's see. All right, so we have Baba. Baba is always a good little play. They have some cheap contracts. I'm waiting for Baba to cross. I'm looking at the 30-minute chart on another screen. Okay, and I'm waiting for it to cross the box. You know the box. If you guys need to add the box, it is the range box by nephew Sam. Love it very, very much. And I am not entering any trades until I see it get out of the box, period. If you would like to go ahead and risk your money, and just go ahead and do it. Only risk your stop loss though. If you only can wait, only can spare to lose $50, make sure you do a same day contract and you know, make sure you know what your stop loss is. Your stop loss should be the box boundary. Okay, right now you see IWM it's underneath the box boundary. And if it can push up above high, the 265.59, I am going to look into getting a call. I'm waiting patiently. I'm waiting patiently. Waiting patiently. It does look like it, but just because it looks like, remember, IWM doesn't really choose what it's going to do until about 9:50. I've studied IWM because I was tired of getting clapped. True story. True story. Let's see. Yes, JMAD. Institutional moving average is 72. 72 and 22 moving average. It's a real thing. It is a real thing. Okay, I'm trying to move this over here. All right. Remember, if you guys need more support, you have the scanner on the left side that's telling you what to do. Google SoFi SPY breakout right now. SPY is, but like I said, it's going toward the institutional moving average. So it has about 50 cents more to go to that. And then there's a potential push down. I am not eager. Yesterday, we were so patient and got the best moves. That's what we want to do, guys. Catch the best moves. Oxy, XLE, Energy, XOM, Petroleum. Jesus, all of them are up, guys. XLE is taking a break. I should just grab this. I think it really is going to go to 50, but why not? Let me close this out. I'll get in another one later. All right. I just got out of my XLE contract. I like the return on it. I'm out. I like it a lot. All right, let's go. IWM breaking. Let's go. Okay, so IWM has got money pouring into it above the block. All right. And we could get to 267 if you guys are interested in a play. This looks like it could go. Stop loss is 264. If it goes backwards, we're not just try to get $1. Remember the rule. We just want to get $1, babies. $1. We ain't got to be over here doing the most. Shoot, we don't have to be greedy. If you can get $1, you can get $10. If you can get $10, you can get 100. I'm waiting for it to see what it's doing here on this 5. Look, it's hovering around this box. I want to see what it's doing. I'm going to go to a smaller time frame just to see what it did. It pushed up against the box close, and here we go. Looks like it can possibly get to 266. All right. If I was to get in, I would do a nice $42 contract for the 267 call, or I would do an $80 one if my budget was on it. That's what I would do. 41, you can even go as low as 28. Right here is going to be the truth. This candle right here, if it can go and push, I'm entering. I need to see it push. Remember what I said, 9:50. What time is it? 9:49. This is where I would get clapped. I am being patient. Patience is if you're not patient, don't trade. I'm just gonna tell you, work on that shit before you even come up over to the playground. If you need to be honest with yourself when you're a trader. You need to be honest. I was not patient. This has helped me be patient. I had a big ego. It's helped me shave that down. And here we go. IWM breaking. Let's go. Come on, we breaking? Are we pushing? What are we doing? All right. And remember, if it doesn't go in the first time, it's because it's moving up. Okay. 950 is usually where it is going. See, there we go. 950. Is this pushing down? Or is it test and retest? Let's watch to see what it's going to do. It will fake you out. Clap. 950, guys. 950. If it can push up off of that high, off of this box, we're good to go with an entry. Be patient. Be patient, babies. All you got to do is get $1. That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do. Be patient. What we doing, IWM? All right. I'm on a 1-minute time frame for entry purposes only. It's struggling. It's 9:51. Only trade what you can afford to lose. It's pulling back and looks like it may go back into this box. Look at this. IWM is so whack sometimes. All right. Waiting patiently to see what it's doing. All right, it's touching the top of the box. Touching the top of the box. What is it going to do? Come on, IWM, talk to us. We know you like to pay us. We know. All right. It is hovering at the top of the box. Hovering. Meanwhile, SPY, NVIDIA, QQQ pushing up. Nice. So this is what we're looking at, guys. IWM's pulling down. Oh, what is it going to do? It's 9:52. It usually does not find its sweet spot until around 9:50. So let's see. SPY looks good. Y'all could have did SPY, XLE. Okay. All right. IWM is still hovering, but looking positive. Looking positive. Waiting for it to cross above this green. It's pulling down. So it hasn't found its sweet spot yet, guys. So I'm going to be patient. You see why you gotta be patient? Just scout your prices. You don't gotta jump in. But see, now we know the prices was around $28. All right. Pulling back up. SPY, AMD, NVIDIA going. Let's see what else is over here. If IWM goes up, it should probably hit the high of yesterday. If it goes down, we're looking for it to go back toward the 72 moving average, which is around 263. That is our parameters. So right now it's at 265. Yesterday it was up to 267. Pull back down. All right. It just want to hover over here. Okay. I'm just waiting for some volume to come into one of these plays, guys. It's still slow, sluggy. A lot of this stuff happened overnight. So when it jumps up overnight, you got to be careful in the morning. If you don't understand how the market moves, you need to study it. Remember, I used to say, do you deserve to get money out the market based on what you did? If you didn't study the night before, then maybe you don't deserve to get money out the market. How about that? That's some real talk right there. You deserve to get money when you study your subject. If you don't study your subject, you out here gambling, and I don't promote that by no means. We are surgeons. IWM pushing up. Let's go. Our goal here looks like a halfway mark. Let's see. Jeez. That's not what I want to do. I want to do a rectangle. So our goal here for IWM, if it goes up, we're looking at 266. 266, you only need $1. It is officially above the box now. IWM is starting to get money put in. QQQ. Come on, what are we doing? Are we going to push money or what? All right. Stop loss if you get in should be 265.20. First take profit level 266.05, if that is what you choose to do with your life. If it cannot reach the 265, get your money and get out. What else is going crazy? Let's see, QQQ, AMD, SPY. Looking good, guys. Google, SPY is starting to get it. Okay. Trump stews markets, stocks jump. I can't with Trump, bro. I can't. The news releases are coming in, guys. News releases are coming in. Let's see what else. QQQ looks fantastical if anyone's interested. But IWM is cheaper. SPY is cheap, not as cheap as IWM. And QQQ is a little bit more pricey than all of them. But QQQ is doing the best currently. All right. Remember, if you buy 0 day to expiration, you try to get your money within 20 minutes and get out because the contracts will eat up. QQQ looks fantastic, oh guys. TQQQ is also good. It's cheap. Forgot to tell you that. TQQQ. Tesla's starting to push. IWM is finally getting to our spot. Nice little sweet spot. All righty. Remember, the more contracts you buy, the quicker your money that you get, then you get out. Can it make it to the halfway mark? Let's see. It's struggling. Come on, IWM. Let's go. All right. Are we in profit? We should be in profit, everybody. mRNA. Okay. Okay. Love it. Shout out IVR for the play. Thank you for being my eyes and ears when I can't. Super grateful. Love this. In profit on IWM. If you're in profit, take your money. I promise you, it will snatch that back. It will snatch it back, and you will be feeling some kind of way. Okay? Yes, you will. Get your money, guys. TQQQ, IBIT, SPY, looking tasty. IWM not quite making it to the halfway mark where we were at. Let's see if it's going to push. You guys should have got your profit if you were already in it. But yeah, QQQ and SPY are looking like better contenders for the money. I like it. I mean, it's a nice trend. Tesla looks good. Remember, if you can't afford Tesla, TSLL is in the building for that. All right. 30 more minutes on the clock. I got to go to the gym after this. Ooh. Helping y'all get your money. Remember, health is wealth. How about this year? Let's stop talking about being healthy and just be healthy and just stop putting poisons in us. Can we do that for 200? I really want us to live our best life. I really do. You know, I want all of our skin glowing, looking great. I want people to be like, dang, I didn't know you was like 20 years older than what you really were. Okay. Okay, IWM looks like there might be some more money pushing in. It is touching another high. If QQQ can get past this, TQQQ is such a good play. It just hit its institutional moving average, 72. If it can push past that, shoo, buddy. XLE is still figuring it out. I got out of XLE. All right, here we go. It's 10:01. So this is where the volume really starts to pour in, guys. This is like showtime. This is where the market really shows its truth. 10 o'clock. All this other stuff is frazzling, move itself, get out the way type of energy. Okay. After this, you're going to see its true colors. 10 o'clock. True color time. QQQ is really showing its colors. Loving it. Can it break past this? I'm wondering. What a good day, guys. This was a money making day. Shout out to everybody who's in green. Shout out. QQQ, NVIDIA, keep pouring in. Tesla is still figuring it out. JPM is always nice. I love JPM. Oh my God, JPM is good. Let me get out of XLE for a second. Let's look at JPM. All right. Okay, so it's 10 o'clock, guys. This is where the money comes in. This is where the real money comes. So what we doing? This is where you can decide if you like it and you like what it's doing, you can add more positions. IWM look like it is nice and it wants to add more positions. I like it. IWM will pay you if you're getting a good contract. It will not hold back. Be your best friend. Everything is going up today, guys. Looks like TQQQ is stellar. All right. So if you was too cheap on your contracts, you ain't making no money. This is not the place to be super cheap. I'm telling you, the cheapest you can get is, but the cheaper it is, remember, it's not going to yield like some huge result every time. Sometimes you're lucky though. Sometimes you can get in and make 1,000 off of 100. But that means the move has to be ginormous. Like it just has to keep going. All right. Here we go. All right. If IWM can cross this 50 midline, then we're looking for maybe adding a position. And that would be a nice position to add. I'm just being patient. QQQ is looking good. It's hitting the 72 moving average. So remember, we are not adding any positions until we know it's going to that next level. All right, here we go. All right. The money is about to pour in, guys. Let's freaking get it. IWM, let's go. Google pouring. This is it, guys. 10:05. 10:05, babies. Where we at? Oof. JPM. AMD. Goodness, guys. Y'all better be in green today. I don't know what the heck. Let's go, guys. SPY. I like it. Oh my goodness. Look at IWM pouring money in. Okay. What is this? Okay. Oh, it looks fantastic. SPY about to kick up. Y'all better be in green. Take your money and go. Go play. Stop stressing yourself out. It gave you a nice big push. A nice push. These are the kind of days you want to trade futures. It's just easy work. We should have a futures trading day. Like I have one screen up for futures. So you can see how it goes. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right. Looking good, IWM. Pay all my friends online. Pay them. Pay them. Y'all should be, for real, heavy green. Let's go, guys. All right. Okay, we only have 12 minutes left or 22 minutes left in the session. So I pray you guys got your green. If you didn't, move quicker next time. Wait, and also, if you have the secret sauce, continue to use it today because it's probably going to go a lot today. Just, look at the money, follow the money. Look at IWM paying. Look at it. Okay, guys. Well, this wasn't really stressful today, guys. I hope. I hope it was easy money. In the chat, what positions are you in? Or are you just watching? That's okay too. It's okay. IWM pulling down on that halfway mark. Yep. This is going to be where it's deciding if it's going to keep going. Remember, it's 10:09. And this is going into its third shift. Remember, the first shift is 9:30 to 9:45. Second shift between 9:45 and 10:03. Third shift, 10 o'clock to 10:30. Use those times to help you continue to get in quality trades. Oh, look at Tesla. What else is going up? INTC. All right. IWM still looks like it wants to give some juice. It hasn't completely fell apart. I'm just looking at the potential here. Looks good. If it can go up after this one, it's probably a nice little push up again, giving you another opportunity to grab your money if you did not grab it. Waiting to see, can it cross up above that 50 line again that I drew up there? Looks like it is crossing. QQQ stopped and halted at 72 moving average, but that doesn't mean it's not going to go. CIFR, that is like Bitcoin mining. see. All right. Let's see here. Okay. All righty. Looks like IWM is still trying to secure itself as a top mover today. And it's looking good. Like more people want to buy into that contract. So shout out to the winners on the IWM play. Shout out. It's just best to buy contracts after 950 on IWM if we're just being honest. There we go. Looks like it wants to push. It did get above the 50% line. More money is coming in. It is hitting the high again. Let's see what else is going on. Bulls pour 10 million into gold calls. Let me look at silver. Silver is a great play, guys, as well. Yeah, IWM is struggling at that 50. I would love to get into a SPX today. That's I would love to do that one. All right, IWM continues to push. It does not want to fall down. They're not letting it fall. Where we at? Y'all should be in green. All you need is $1. Because guess what? You get $1, you can come back and play again tomorrow. I bet if we looked at like trading like the sandbox, like you can't come back in unless you get $1. I bet everybody would get their dollar and stop playing. The sandbox is a real thing. You can't come play in my sandbox unless you're in the dollar club. I feel like that's what the stock market be telling us. You can't play without capital. So don't come in here without it. Is it like a country club of sorts? The stock market? I call it the white boy game. Cause it's definitely you better know what you're doing when you're in it, you know? But we're changing that. We are changing that for sure. I think it's gonna be an everybody game in the next 5 years. All right, here we go. IWM. If anybody is interested in adding the extra contract, this looks like it could be an area of entry. I don't know why. Let me breathe. All right, guys. Okay. All right, IWM babies. Where are my winners? Shout out and congratulations. What a fantastic day for the home team. What a fantastic day. Oh, you guys did good on this one. All right, Spy looks fantastical. Mm-mm-mm. I'm liking Spy. Yep. And I think it's going to go to 685. So it looks good. So anybody interested in SPY? That's a good look. SPY calls. Hmm. SPY looks good. IWM looks good. I think SPY is going to end up going to, oh, Jesus. I think it's going to go to 6. What is it going to do? 684? Can SPY get to 684, guys? TQQQ is moving. Okay. What we doing, guys? I like all the power that's in these today. Trump must have did something that made people happy. He must have said something nice. All right, guys. We should be green on all counts. So I hope you guys have fun today. Just want to let y'all know that normal discourse costs $200 a month to do this. Yes, I said that. Everyone I know who runs a Discord that does the same thing is $200 a month. So please, please be excited that you are able to go ahead and save your money and still make money at the same time. Because the traders out here that do this, we really just want y'all to win. We're not trying to bust you over the head, knowing dang well we could. It's, you know what I mean? We're out here just trying to hold your hand and make sure that y'all straight so you can be good for your family. So I'm glad that you guys tuned in because it's a blessing to have you here. Because I know $200 a month, it's a tax. It's a tax for sure. That's a lot of gas. That's a lot of meals. That's a lot of everything. But it's worth it because you can make that money back. You can make it back. It's just I try not to have a bunch of noise. I think sometimes when you're in those groups, it's a lot of noise. And I just wanted to make it clean for y'all. That's all. QQQ looks so good. It does look like it wants to break above 72 moving average. You guys should try to master back test. There is a girl who did an interview and she said she's been traded for 15 years and she spends hours back testing. And that's why she's a great trader. So please look in the mirror and go, if I really want to do this, am I putting the work in? You know, it's all about you reap what you sow in every little thing, energy, time, wherever you put your emotions, that's what you're going to see and more of in your life. Relationships, all the things. If you pour all your energy in your problems, you're going to get more problems. If you pour it into gratitude, you'll get more. We are so quick to complain, and sometimes it's like, come on, man, we're too blessed to be doing that. Let's stop trying to find things to be frustrated about. Life is too good. It just is. It just is. You really are the master of your fate, the captain of your ship and soul. So act like it. Nobody else is driving your boat but you. Y'all gonna get this therapy for free. Shoot. That part. Let's go, guys. We got 8 more minutes on the clock. What's falling down right now? Oh, silver's falling down. So that means If silver's falling down, that means that this is going to be a good place to enter in if anybody's looking for a swing, because silver is going to go hit the I'm telling you, silver is going to go crazy. And the ticker is SLV. SLV for that. All right. IWM looks like it is bouncing up off that 50% line, and there might be some power coming into it in just a moment. So, anybody looking for extra entry points, that's a great place if it can make it, if it can hold. We're just looking to hold. We got 8 minutes left. Y'all should be in green, guys. Today was a good day. Like Ice Cube. Let's see. I'm so excited for y'all. Okay. What a good day, guys. Remember, February, we are doing a challenge. So that's why I want you guys to be like, okay, I'm cool with my $1 because we're starting the compound challenge. That is what helped me stay disciplined enough to get paid on another level, taking 500, sometimes 700, but low is 300 to $7,000 in 1 month just by compounding. And it's not hard once you get in a good place. And that's what we do here. We just get you in good place for sure. So who wants to make money? February. Money, love and money month. Why not? Why not, guys? Make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your friends. If they want to come trade with me, we need some more music. Listen, I'm gonna wake y'all up. Y'all gonna get irritated, but y'all better brace your ears. It's almost time. 6 more minutes left, guys. It's a party. Let's go. In green. Come on, babies. We love it. Today, you're going to know if greed got you or did green get you. Which one got you? You know which one it was. Yep. I can't wait to go to the gym today. I'm excited. All right. Here we go. TQQQ Uber pulling in. Yep. Securing this spot. Tesla. Loving. Tesla be paying, guys. TSLL for if you don't have a lot of capital, you have under $200. TSLL is perfect to build your account. It really rides level to level. It is on its way to 426 currently as we speak. It's probably not going to be a problem to get to 426. It looks like it is jumping in with flow, and it looks good. It does look good. It looks nice. Go Tesla! Bessie and a Tessie. Ooh, Tesla's not playing, guys. Oh, look at Tesla going like a race car, buddies. Stop it. TSLL, shout out. Come on, babies. Ooh, Tesla looks so good. I love seeing me a good ticker. Yep. Tesla did that. That was a good little move for somebody. What else we got going? What else we got going? Merck. Merck is at 111.42. I got in there last week. Nice. Nvidia and Tesla is still on the go. It's about to hit its next level on the pivots. Ooh, I like it. Come on, Tesla. If y'all entered in on Tesla, shout out to you. I do like having a four charts for the people. As y'all can see what I'm looking at. Tesla just crossed the 72 moving average on 30-minute chart. Institutional money. When it crosses that, I'm telling you, the push is real. The push is a real thing. And then it will test it and it will see if it can hold it. And if it can hold it, it will continue to go. It'll do a test, retest, and push off. Yes, Ivy, are you in Tesla Biscuit? Love it. That's your baby. Let's go. Ooh, look at Tesla. Come on now. Loving. So proud of you guys. What a great day. What a freaking great day, guys. IWM said, okay, I hope y'all took everything you could from me. It's like, I'm over it. Okay, Tesla looks like it is now in reverse mode, but that does not mean it's not going to continue to go. That just means it looks like it's in reverse mode. It could possibly just be picking up more buyers for the next little ride up. SPX or SPY looks like it is ready to do a nice little baby push. 2 more minutes on the clock before I go to the gym. And let's go. All right, IWM just got a big push, but I don't know if it's going to hold. All right. What is Tesla doing, guys? Tesla was fantastic. QQQ, Walmart coming into play. Love this. I love this game, y'all. I can't say I miss being a therapist. I can't say that. You know, I think that was my season. I love this more. I have to say. I was drinking a lot of Starbucks as a therapist, like more than normal. Trying to keep it together. Ooh. All right, guys. 10:30. Shout out to you guys. You guys did amazing today. I hope you have a great day. Keep positive, stay positive. You get what you attract what you get. And remember that when you want to complain, I want y'all to say, you know what, but I'm grateful. Try to do the grateful before the complaint, though. You know what I mean? Try to see the complaints as blessings on the way. You feel me? And I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow, Lord willing. Take care. Enjoy your green. Stash it away. And there will always be plays tomorrow if you didn't get in. Talk to y'all later.